Today we are going to learn about automating feature scaling, techniques and tools. We'll explore modern methods and tools to automate feature scaling in machine learning, enhancing your skills and improving model accuracy and convergence speed. Feature scaling is a crucial pre-processing step in machine learning. It involves adjusting the scale of features to improve the efficiency and performance of models. Without scaling, algorithms can misinterpret the varying ranges of data, leading to skewed results. Today, we'll delve into why feature scaling is important, how it impacts model performance, and the ways it can be automated using modern tools and techniques. Prepare to learn about key methods and tools that automate this vital process, enhancing your ability to build accurate and efficient models. Feature scaling is fundamental in preventing bias within algorithms, especially those that rely on distance calculations like k-nearest neighbors or support vector machines. When features are on different scales, the algorithm may weigh one feature more heavily than others, leading to inaccurate models. Scaling ensures that each feature contributes equally. Additionally, it enhances model convergence speed by allowing gradient descent to converge more quickly. This is particularly beneficial for neural networks. By transforming features into comparable scales, we also improve the interpretability of model outputs. Lastly, appropriate scaling can lead to better computational efficiency, making the process faster and more resource effective. Two primary methods of feature scaling are normalization and standardization. Normalization rescales features to a range of 0, 1, or -1, 1, making the data dimensionless. This method is particularly useful when the distribution of data is unknown. On the other hand, standardization transforms data to have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1, which is ideal for normally distributed data. Each method has its own use cases. Normalization is preferred when features vary greatly in range, while standardization is suited for models like linear regression. Understanding these differences helps in choosing the right method based on your data characteristics.
Scikit-learn, a popular machine learning library in Python, offers robust tools for automating feature scaling. With built-in scalars like min-max scalar and standard scalar, it simplifies the process. The library allows the integration of scaling into data preprocessing pipelines, ensuring that scaling is consistent and automated across different datasets. By incorporating scaling directly into machine learning workflows, Scikit-learn enhances efficiency and maintains model accuracy. We'll explore practical examples demonstrating how to implement these scalars and integrate them with various machine learning models, showcasing the power of automation and preprocessing. The min-max scalar is a straightforward yet effective tool that scales features to a fixed range, typically 0, 1. This method is particularly useful when the distribution of data is not Gaussian and is assumed to be in a bounded range. By preserving the relationships between data points, it keeps the original data shape intact. However, it can be sensitive to outliers, which may skew the scaled values. We will walk through the code implementation using Scikit-learn and discuss scenarios where min-max scalar is most beneficial, providing a solid foundation for practical application.
The standard scalar is widely used for datasets with Gaussian distribution. It centers data to have a mean of 0 and scales it to have a standard deviation of 1. This transformation is crucial for algorithms that assume a normal distribution. We'll demonstrate how to implement the standard scalar using Scikit-learn, providing code examples and discussing its advantages. The scalar is particularly effective for models such as linear regression and logistic regression, where features need to be on the same scale for optimal performance. Understanding when and how to use the standard scalar is key to enhancing model efficiency. Choosing the appropriate scaling method depends on the characteristics of your dataset. Analyzing the distribution is crucial if the data is normally distributed. Standardization is ideal, otherwise, normalization might be more appropriate. We'll explore how scaling impacts different model types and provide case examples to illustrate these points. Understanding the nuances of each method allows you to make informed decisions, optimizing model performance. We'll also offer practical tips on selecting the right scaling strategy, considering factors like outliers and data variance, to ensure your models are both accurate and efficient. Integrating feature scaling into data preprocessing pipelines ensures consistency and efficiency. Pipelines automate the preprocessing steps, maintaining uniformity across datasets and models. By building effective workflows, you can streamline the machine learning process, reducing errors and improving reliability. We'll delve into the benefits of automation and demonstrate how to create pipelines using Scikit-learn. Through examples, you'll learn to build scalable and adaptable workflows that enhance your machine learning projects, showcasing the power of automation and preprocessing.
Handling large datasets presents unique challenges, particularly in terms of computational resources and time. Efficient scaling strategies are essential to manage these challenges. We'll explore different methods to optimize computational resources, ensuring that scaling processes are both fast and effective. Tools like Scikit-learn offer solutions to handle large datasets efficiently, making machine learning projects more manageable. We'll also discuss real-world applications and strategies to incorporate these techniques, providing insights into scaling large datasets without compromising on accuracy or performance.
In this case study, we'll examine the impact of feature scaling on model performance using a real-world example. By comparing models with and without scaling, we gain insights into how scaling benefits accuracy and convergence. We'll explore practical implementation steps and highlight the lessons learned from this comparison. This case study not only demonstrates the importance of feature scaling but also provides a roadmap for applying these techniques in your own projects, offering a comprehensive understanding of their impact on machine learning outcomes.
In conclusion, feature scaling is a vital component of the machine learning process, significantly influencing model accuracy and efficiency. We've explored various techniques and tools, from normalization and standardization to the automation of scaling processes using Scikit-learn. By integrating these methods into your workflows, you enhance model performance and streamline machine learning projects. Remember, the key lies in understanding your dataset characteristics and choosing the right scaling strategy. We encourage you to apply these techniques in your projects, leveraging the power of automation to achieve optimal results.